Hello everyone, my name is Rejo Thomas. So today I am going to show you how to create fillet at the corner of a solid object. So at first, let's create a sketch. So let's choose the XY plane. Now let's draw a rectangle. You can also draw a rectangle by pressing on the key R on the keyboard. So this is 2-point rectangle. So there are three types: center rectangle, 3-point rectangle, and 2-point rectangle. So I choose center rectangle from the sketch palette menu. So I'm gonna enter a dimension of 50 millimeter by 50 millimeter. That makes it a square, and you can toggle between by using tab button on the keyboard. So a square is being created. So now let's add fillet from the modify drop down menu. So I'm selecting two edges. You can also select points on the corner. So again I am selecting all the four edges, or else you can also select the corner points, and we will give it a radius of 3 mm and enter. So a radius of 3 millimeter is being added. So now let's finish the sketch. So now let's extrude it. So it's under the create drop down menu. You can also press E on the keyboard in order to access the extrude feature. So I'm gonna enter a dimension of 40 mm in the upward direction. So I'm gonna choose new body and press on OK. So that is how fillets can be added in this sketch. Now I will show you a different way of adding sketches. Adding fillets on the corner. So at first you have to select create sketch and then select the plane, XY plane, and press R in order to draw a rectangle and choose center point rectangle and enter dimension. I will go with the previous dimension, 50 into 50. You can press tab button in order to toggle the dimensions. So I'm gonna extrude it by pressing E on the keyboard. So let's extrude it out to 40 mm and press OK. Now as we see, we have sharp edges on the corner. So now let's add fillet from the modify drop down menu. Press F in order to add fillet and select all the corner edges. So 4 edges has been selected, and you have to draw that arrow inwards, and or else you can type 3 millimeter manually. So in this way you can create fillet around a corner. You can edit in the sketch itself, or you can edit in this way too. It depends upon the design criteria. I hope you must have understood. So that's it guys. If you wanted to enjoy some more videos, if you wanted to watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel.